Oh yeah, I got another sexy dish for y'all. How about some spicy, creamy, Cajun, shrimp and sausage linguine, y'all? Don't that sound sexy? Hell yeah. We got some shrimp, some andouille sausage, some red onion, some red, green, orange, and jalapeno peppers, and some diced garlic and celery. And for that sauce, we got some heavy whipping cream, some Cajun spices, mascarpone, and I can't forget that dry white wine, Pinot Grigio to be exact. Now we're gonna start off with a cold pan and put that meat in, then let it warm to medium heat, because we want to make that meat sweat, because that meat sweat is gonna give flavor to all this sexy dish. Oh yeah, look at that meat sweat at the bottom of that pan. And once you sweated out all that meat, go ahead and pull your meat out. It's butter, baby. 2 tablespoons to be exact. Go ahead and melt that down. Then we're gonna toss in those shrimps, spread them out, give it a nice little season with those Cajun spices. Cook them for about 1 minute, and then turn them and cook them for 1 minute more. Then go ahead and pull those shrimps out and set them to the side. Now we're gonna go in with those sexy veggies, your onions, all your peppers, and that celery. But hold off on the garlic. That's coming in at a later time. Then go ahead and give it some seasoning with that good Cajun spice. And give it a little turn and let those sexy veggies make love to that meat sweat. It up another level with some Italian seasoning. Give a few shakes over those sexy veggies and work those herbs all in there. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now this is a Cajun dish, so you know what we got to do. We got to make a roux. So go ahead and drop in 2 teaspoons of flour. Work that all in while you're scraping up those bits at the bottom of the pan. It's time to get creamy, y'all. Go ahead and pour in all that heavy whipping cream. Now give it a quick little stir. And we're gonna bring it to a simmer. Then we're gonna stir it once again. And you know what? Now it's time to put that garlic in. Now when you get it as thick as you want it, go ahead and put all your meat in. it's on you. When the time is right, go ahead and get that white wine, that Pinot Grigio. Pour it all over. Work that in. Look at that sauce getting creamy. But we're gonna crank it up some more with some mascarpone. Extra creamy, baby. Work that in, let it melt down. Oh, that look good. Hell yeah. Sexy, creamy sauce. And make sure you give it some flavor with a couple pinches of sea salt. It ain't gonna take a lot. Oh yeah. And a few turns of some fresh cracked black pepper. Got to have that. And it ain't sexy if it ain't spicy. So make sure you put a few pinches of cayenne pepper in there. And now it's time for the star of the show. That linguine pasta. Go on and add that to the sauce. Stir it all around, get all that pasta nice and coated. Now if you don't think your sauce is saucy enough or creamy enough, you can add you some more white wine or some heavy whipping cream. That's all on you. Go ahead and spice it up again with some of those Cajun spices. Then go ahead and add you some fresh chopped parsley. And last but not least, some grated Parmesan cheese. Now we have an orgy of ingredients coming together to bust some good flavors all in your mouth.